So I just found out this new playlist in Spotify called Daylist. I'm just eager to find out what that is. So let's do it together. So say hello to Daylist, your new day in a playlist. That's what press release from Spotify says. This new one-of-a-kind playlist on Spotify apps and flows with unique vibes, bringing together niche music and micro genres usually listen during particular moments in the day or on specific days of the weeks. It updates frequently between sunup and sundown with a series of highly specific playlists made for every version of you. It's hyper personalized, dynamic, and playful as it reflects what you want to be listening right now. You will get new tracks at every update, plus a new title that sets the mood of your day list. So, yep. Unfortunately, it's only available in few countries such as US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland. And you can just go to spotify.com/daylist. And then you can also find Daylist on the mobile in the Made for You hub. So here you have it. And then, yeah, you can just search for like Daylist and it will appear here. So if you're in the country where it's available, you will see that it's available for you, and it says your day in a playlist. Listen to music to unlock your day list. So for me, it's just the first time, so it means you need to listen to more music in Spotify to be able to generate that. But the whole idea of it is that it's like, this playlist updates not like once per week, but it's like every few hours. And depending on the time of the day, it will recommend you some new songs depending on your listening history and probably using some some AI or something like that. So yeah, pretty cool feature. Um, yeah, again, you need to have quite a large listening history on Spotify. So if you just created an account on Spotify, it's not gonna work. But then it's pretty cool playlist because it's not like Discover Weekly where each updates once per week. It's not like your daily mix where it updates every day, but this playlist updates every few hours, and it takes your listening patterns during the day and recommends different songs. So try it out.